Welcome to a quick tutorial video on how to use your Clover Mini. When you come to your Clover Mini, your screen is actually going to be dark. And to actually enter in, you'll simply tap the screen and it will come to this passcode screen. To enter in, you'll simply enter the 4-digit passcode that you're supplied. And to process payments, you're going to go to the register application. However, before we get there, if by any chance your unit happens to be on a different screen, so for instance, if it happens to be in the transactions reporting screen, you can hit the home icon to return to your main menu, and then you would be able to hit the register icon to go in to run a payment. Now in the register, you'll notice that in the center you have the categories that items are in. So for instance, right now we're in the beverage category and we have 3 or 4 different beverages here on the right. If we change categories, the items in that category will show up. Now, to add items to your ticket, you'll simply select the item, then you'll change categories to add an item from a different category. Now, if you'd like to edit the quantity of an item, you can simply select the item and hit the plus button or the minus button to adjust the quantity. So now we have 3 lobster and 1 soda added to this category. The second way you can add items to a category in quantity is by simply using the quick quantity feature. So if you know you need 4 of an item, prior to selecting the item, you can hit 4 and then select the item. So now you'll notice we just added 4 items to the ticket. Now if you'd like to completely remove an item from a ticket, you simply select the item and you can delete that item completely from a ticket. Now to finish the sale and to actually capture payment, we're going to hit the pay icon and you'll hit charge on card. And then you'll be prompted to enter a tip, and the customer will be prompted to enter payment. Now once the payment is processed, the customer can choose if they'd like to print a receipt, email a receipt, or text a receipt. In this case, we would like to print a receipt. And now we're back to our home screen. Now, if for some reason a customer skipped printing a receipt and then comes back and would like to receive a receipt for that order, you can select the order icon and then you can find the payment that was processed, select the payment, and in this case, we're going to then hit reissue receipt. You can also exchange or process a refund from this screen as well. So if we'd like to refund the entire ticket, we can hit refund payment. If you'd like to refund just one particular item from the ticket, we can select one of those items and refund just that item. Now you'll notice we weren't prompted to re-enter the card, and that's because the card is already on file in our system and is not needed to finish the sale. Now you'll notice that you have a back arrow here, and you also have a back arrow here that you can use to go back to the previous screen. Now, in order to see the items that you've processed payments for and your totals for the day, you'll notice you have this app drawer down here on the bottom that you can scroll through. What you'd like to look for to find out your totals for the day is reporting. And on the left-hand side, you'll notice there's different types of reports. So you have a sales overview that gives the total for all of the transactions processed. In your case, you'd want to go to employees. And then as you scroll down, you'll notice your total. And an employee is basically the 4-digit code that's used to log into the machine dictates which employee is being used. In your case, when you're using the same PIN to log in each time, that employee is used to process all of your payments. So the tips here would reflect all tips entered on a machine that used, in this case, the passcode 4 ones to process payments all throughout the day. So if you'd like to see what your totals are, what your sales are for the day, I'd recommend that you go to the reporting tab, click on employees, and then it will show you your totals here. Now, also your sales overview here will show you your totals, the breakdown of everything as well. So if you have any other questions, I'd love to help. Give me a call anytime. The number is 940-600-3311. And otherwise, I hope you're having a great day. I'll talk to you soon.